Hi there, welcome to the channel. I'm Carmen and I have Happy Mail. This is Hubman and Chubgirl, and this is tons and tons and tons of stickers. I went a little crazy and this is basically a mega haul of different items and stickers and washi tape. And so this is like the best mail ever, really. If you're a journaler, a planner, junk journaler, and you love stickers and journaling of any kind and planning, this is definitely amazing. Cute little thank you there. And then this was actually a freebie. It says right there, freebie set. If you purchased a certain amount, it's listed on their website. Again, it's if you can see it right here, I'll show you so you can find the website if you're new to them. I'm sure you're not, but if you are, it's Hubman and Chubgirl. And so this is the freebie. So I've got a stick-it notepad. Yep, stick-it notes, got quite a few there. Adorable little wolf. Got I Love Stickers sticker book. That's really nice. That's that paper where you can put the sticker on the paper and then reuse the sticker. And then a journal, and I already got one journal from them, so I'm assuming this is about the same size, but this is amazing for a freebie. It looks like it looks about like the 5mm dot grid. I don't know if the dot grid will show up well on the camera, and has a little folder. The reason I know this is I already have one of their free journals and it had the folder in the back, and it seems to be about 30-35 pages, but I mean 60 some on, you know, if you count both sides, or 70. So it's a really decent sized journal. I'm just really impressed. This is pretty amazing freebie. The sticker book, the journal, and the stick-it notepad. So those are all the freebies. And then this I am so excited about. This is their spring, it's a fox. It is so cute. It's called Spring Foxes. So this is their set for that, for the spring foxes. So it's got a limited edition 5 die cut vinyl stickers. We got the little fox, a fox with some flowers, fox with flower pot. Aw, how cute is that? Relaxing under the leaf. And then a little fox in the rain, because you know spring does tend to bring rain showers. So it goes along with the spring foxes theme. And then we've got some little cute planner stickers. So cute. Oh, I really like these for different weather days. That'll be great. Love that. And then a keychain, and it also has a bag clip, or this could be a charm. I mean, you could really use it for anything you wanted to. They're calling it an enamel keychain, but you really could. You could make a journal charm out of that. You could hang it on a bag because it's got the bag hook. I mean, this is really nice, really well made. It's got little charms, little flowers and leaves, and then this really super sweet fox. And then we've got some sticker sheets. We got the spring rain, and then we've got also, this is called springtime showers, and this one is called springtime flowers. So if you're looking for these on their site to purchase separately if you don't get the kit. And then this is the variety sticker pack. It has 7 assorted sticker sheets. I've got a picture of what's included there on the back. Aw, how cute. I mean, there's so much cuteness here. It's just really adorable. And I've got more, I would call these planner sized. I mean, you could use them for anything. And these have that sort of washi feel to them, and they're definitely matte stickers. And then these stickers are also matte as well. And then we've got some washi tape style or border style. Again, it's that same matte sort of dry feel, if you know what I'm talking about. And I love the iridescence. Hopefully that will show up on these raindrops. That is really cool. And then you've got iridescence on this as well. Little cute scenes with the foxes. And then you've got some spring is here, and these are sort of postage stamped style. And these have the iridescence as well. Really, really nice. And then little happy planning folder. So if If you go to their website, it depends on how many. Oh, and I'm sorry, before we get to that, I skipped over the washi tape. How could I skip the washi tape? One of these is called Shower and Flowers, and this one's called Spring Foxes, but I'll open these up so we can take a better look. Here's an up close of these two super cute washi tapes. I just love them. The little foxes and the flowers and the rain, and then the little rain clouds in the second one. And now to the happy planning. So these folders, it depends on how many sheets of stickers you buy, and if you buy, you know, a certain amount, they will put them in these folders. So these are useful as well. And so I have a Hobonichi Weeks. So I got quite a few Hobonichi Weeks sets. So I got the Axolotl Hobonichi Weeks set. Capture the Day, it's a little cow with a camera. Got the Cozy Bookworm. The Froggies, got a couple of Froggies. The Calm Koi Pond. The Cappy Spring. And then the Spring Foxes. The this did not come in that other set I showed, so I wanted the Hobonichi Weeks kit set as well, and I actually have a video using this set, so if you'd like to see that, check that out on the channel. Spring Blossoms is the name of this. It's got little bunnies, definitely has an Easter feel to it. It's little bunnies and baskets. It's not overtly Easter, but it definitely sort of reminds me of Easter. Got Sushi Time. And this is so cute. This is little rainy days. It's got little chicks and bunnies and little rain jackets and umbrellas. So, so cute. And then you've got My Otter Half. It's a little otter and some hearts. I actually bought this within mind. My anniversary is not for some time, but I was going to use this the week of my anniversary, so I thought that would be fun. I love stationery, so it's just everything stationery, and I got a couple of those because I absolutely do love stationery for sure. And then these were actually, at the time I bought them, on sale, and so I got a whole bunch of the Cozy Cats Hobonichi Weeks kit because I love cats. It's got cat in a little box. I mean, how cute is that? I just love it. And so I got several of those as well. I'm gonna pop those to the side. And then I got another Happy Planning. These are larger sticker sets. So we got Spring Bunnies, My Cup of Tea, because I am a tea drinker. I know it seems like the majority, leave me in the comment, are you a tea drinker or are you a coffee drinker? Let me know. Seems like the majority is coffee or both, but I am definitely on the tea side of the fence. And by the way, if you're enjoying this, give it a thumbs up. That helps other people find the video, and also subscribe if you'd like to see more journaling and planning videos. These are called Bright and Positive Collection. There's 3 sheets that are, each one is different. And then here's the Cozy Cats. Again, these were on sale at the time I bought them, so they were just too cute. Even though we're going into spring, I just love them. Cool weather will be back. And sometimes you just want to be cozy even when it's warm outside. It's just I think it's a state of mind being cozy, really. I'll set that right here. And then this is the Happy Froggy set. Got a little frog on his back on a lily pad. Another frog on a lily pad. I guess they're all on a lily pad, so I'll quit saying that, but they have different facial expressions. So cute. They're all adorable. And then we've got some planner stickers with the little frogs. Oh, I like the frog on the log. That's cute. And then like they're popping out of the water. These are adorable. And then the larger stickers. So we've got A Nice Day at the Pond and Happy Froggies. So this is Foxy's holiday set, holiday mail set, and well, they're called different things, but it's, yeah, I guess it's the holiday mail set would be the, yeah, holiday mail mini planner kit. So that's what this is. And so I'm gonna set these down so I can go through the planner stickers. And yes, I know you're thinking this is not Christmas time, but I actually just love these and I want to have them so that I'll have them available next year because like I said, or I don't know if I did mention that in this video, some of their things come and go. You know, they're not always available. And so I wanted to grab these so I would have them readily available once the season comes back. So this is the Hobonichi Weeks kit, Cousin kit, Hobonichi Cousin. These are all cousin. I really like these borders. And even if you don't have a Weeks or a Cousin, these are easily transferable to another planner of any type or even to a, that's what's great about bullet journaling. You can do anything you want. And then here's a mini planner kit. So again, this would definitely be towards the bullet journaling. You've even got the little checkoffs. Of course, you have those on here too, if you're doing habit tracking or anything like that. And then a little bitty happy planning folder. And so I've got the cozy bookworm banners, black tea, lazy spring days, happy frogs 2, spring bunnies 2, and then rainy foxes. So cute. And then I think this is a lot of cozy cats again, because again, they were, at the time I bought this, I'm just gonna flip through these quickly. I think some of them are the same and some are a little different. Cats doing different things here. Really, really cute. Like I said, I'm a cat person. Leave me a comment if you're a cat or a dog or a little bit of both. Let me know in the comments. I'll pull this up next because I have been so excited to use this. I've been holding off till I filmed this video. But I couldn't wait to use these. These are 2 coasters. They say tea time. Like I said, I'm a tea person, so I just think these are adorable. I love these besties. So, so cute. And next, this is the Cozy Bookworm set. 7 assorted sticker sheets. Oh, that's so cute. He's got his little tea. So this is right up my alley. I love to read, and I am not a worm, but I love tea also. And so this is just right up my alley. So this is a large sticker and it is cut out. It is the cutout of the bookstore. And then we've got a little, this is that sort of washi style. And then 4 cute little stickers. These are matte and these are as well, so you could write on these for sure. And then we've got some with the gold sort of iridescent design there, so pretty. And then this is great for, you know, numbering the days of the month here in the planner, or you could use the numbers for anything really. And then some little, they all have a different saying. So like, let's get cozy, or little bookworm, or cozy time. And those have that iridescent gold as well. And then I rolled the dice. I've never done this before. I did their, once you place the order, they'll say you can get some extra stickers for $6 at the time of this recording. That could change, of course. And they offered that option. I don't know if they do it every single time you order, but they have for me so far. So I assume it's every time you place an order. So it's after you've already checked out, it pops up on the screen and then it just adds it to your order and you get random stickers. So let's see what I got. That's cool because that actually goes with that set I was talking about using for my anniversary. So that's really cute. And these are matte die cut stickers, really, really nice. A little marker or highlighter, depending on how you look at it. Little fox doing a little cooking out at the campfire. Oh, a cute little rainbow unicorn. Little, I don't know if that's a raccoon. Well, he doesn't have the black. I'm not sure. Could be a cat. I'm not sure. Doesn't say on the back. It's cute, whatever. Whatever it is. And then you've got a leaf. Oh, this is cool. Honey butter chip. That's neat. And then we've got a lantern and a bunny and the moon. And a frog on his back on the lily pad. And then I assume it's a panda bear, hard to tell because the ice cream is so big it's covering her face. That's really cute. So I would definitely say that was worth $6. And then I got their ruler. I have a really long ruler it's great for crafting. It depends on what I'm doing. For junk journaling, sometimes that bigger one is great, but for planning, especially in my Hobonichi Weeks planner, this is going to be way better. I don't have anything this size. This is so cute. It's got all the little stationery guys with little fun faces. And then, of course, the exciting stuff. I know I already opened the washi that was with that one set, but I also got more washi. I got the froggies. I got spring bunnies, sakura bunnies with the little cherry blossoms, and cute pond. Here's an up-close view of the two froggy washi tapes. They are so cute. This one's got the little lilies and this one has the little frogs. And here are the cute little bunnies. It's got little bunnies and baskets on both of them. So cute. And the pink one actually has an iridescent pink on top. Really, really cute. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this mega haul as much as I did. If you'd like to see more journaling, planning, and haul videos, definitely click on the video on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.